Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a start menu in Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. You're a new user, or you not so much of a new user, but you just bought a new computer, you've been using Windows XP or Windows 7 for the longest time. You download Windows or get a new computer and you're presented with Windows 8. And you're like, what the hell? I'm going to show you guys how to get a start menu. That's what you're basically going to need to get you back into that mindset of using Windows. So you're going to want to launch Internet Explorer if you just got it. I've had this computer since Christmas, so I've already customized everything to my liking. I installed Opera and everything, but I'm just going to show you if you just got the computer. It'll open up in a modern UI application, which is basically, I don't know if this will let me launch it in that, no it won't, is to go to a full screen application page that will probably load up with an MSN site. But you want to go to classicshell.net, download it, save or run it. I already have it on my, or have the installer from a previous attempt at this video that failed horribly. We're just going to launch it. Going to accept the licensing agreement. Now here's where you get to customize your install. You want to me, you may want this if you've been using Windows XP. I don't want it, so Classic Explorer we're going to not install, and we're not going to install the Classic Internet Explorer. We just want the start menu and the updater. We hit next and we hit install. It's going to bring you up with the user account control prompt. You're going to accept it, and once it's done you finish, or you click finish. Now you have a start menu. Now to customize this to your liking, you right click settings. You'll be brought up with a start menu style screen. Now default it's Windows 7 style, but you can go the XP or the even older 95 style. 95, XP, Windows 7. You can also replace the start button with their defaults, or pick a custom one you can download off of deviantart.com. Basic settings here allows you to skip the Metro screen, which is already enabled by default, so you never have to see those ugly tiles. And you can have it set to where the Windows key on your keyboard will launch Classic Start Menu or the Windows Start screen. Here is the skin, so you can choose the Classic skin, which is just a standard gray background. The Windows 8 skin, or the Windows Aero skin. Windows 8 just works better for me, just because it looks best with the operating system, unless you get a custom theme or something, but that's for another time. Here is where you can customize your column items or your menu items. You display these as links, display them as items or menus, and you can add in separators and stuff just to make it look the way you want to. You can also back these up to an XML file, so if you want to move this onto another computer that's running Windows 8, you can have all your settings ready to go from that one file, or you can reset to the stock settings. So that's how you get a start menu in Windows 8. As you can see, everything works. Access the system properties, all that awesomeness. You can access your control panel items, although personally I don't like using it that way. I haven't customized this enough to my liking. I guess I'll show you that right here. Like, I don't want this to be a menu, I want this to be in a link. So that would launch me to the control panel. I personally like it in the categories too. So I don't know if I can. No, you can't edit that. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please click the like button and please subscribe.